Hey, health enthusiasts! Ready to unlock the secret to effective weight management with a plant-based diet? Today, we're diving into how plant-based eating can help you achieve and maintain your ideal weight. You won't believe the incredible changes it can bring to your life. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the power of plant-based nutrition for weight management. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or simply maintain a healthy weight, you're in the right place. Let's start by addressing some common challenges people face with weight management. Traditional diets often lack the essential nutrients needed for healthy weight loss and maintenance. This can lead to frustration, yo-yo dieting, and a sense of defeat. But don't worry, there's a solution. Enter the plant-based diet. This approach is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support a healthy metabolism and overall well-being. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds, you can fuel your body with what it needs to thrive. Plant-based foods are naturally lower in calories but high in fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied longer. This means fewer cravings and less overeating. Plus, the wide variety of flavors and textures keeps your meals exciting and delicious. Now, let's dive into some scientific insights. Studies have shown that plant-based diets are incredibly effective for weight loss and management. For example, research published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that individuals who follow a plant-based diet tend to have lower body weights and body mass indices than those who consume meat. Additionally, a plant-based diet is linked to improved metabolism and reduced inflammation, which are crucial for weight management. By nourishing your body with whole, plant-based foods, you're not just losing weight, you're gaining health. Embracing a plant-based diet is a game-changer for weight management. By incorporating more plant-based meals into your daily routine, you can achieve your weight goals in a healthy and sustainable way. It's not just about losing weight, it's about gaining a healthier lifestyle. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey towards effective weight management today by exploring the world of plant-based foods. Check out the description below for a special link to our favorite plant-based recipes and tips to get you started. Don't forget to share your progress and experiences in the comments. Let's inspire each other on this transformative journey. Thanks for watching, and remember, your path to a healthier, happier you starts with the power of plants. See you in the next video.